one and all present here. Today, on behalf of Sai family, I welcome you all to the most awaited program, that is our Chairman's Club, which is the most elite club of the school. We recognize the innate urge in you to excel and applaud your attitude to be the best or different from the rest. We urge you to always keep your spirits ignited. Being a member of the Chairman's Club will help you in improving your interpersonal and intrapersonal skills. As a part of the Chairman's Club, you will surely enjoy the special privileges that are extended to the members. Those are gift coupons from Oxford Bookstore, Bhubaneswar, special luncheons and outings, special screenings of good movies, special interaction with role models from all walks of life, special mentorship from the chairman, sir, issues of additional library books, and special classes for NTSC. I congratulate to each one of you. Now I request our esteemed chairman, sir, to address the children.
How to get into Chairman's Club. And the trick is based on this, the person who is on the fourth square and knows where to go. So you'll follow the trick, especially for those who are sitting this side and also for those who are standing here to improve from where they are. Right? It's a very simple trick. You'll do it? Very good. How many of you will do it? All of you. Great. Now, a day has how many hours? Sure? I thought it's 48. How many feel that it's 24 hours? Still some hands feel that it's not 24 hours. Okay. So, it's 24 hours. Right? So, every day you write the date every day, irrespective of whether it's a Sunday or a Monday. Every day, what you do, you write the date. So the first figure is the date. What is the first figure? Date. Then you write how many hours did you sleep. Next column, what you'll write? What you'll write in the next column? Average, how much time you sleep? 7 to 8. Okay. So you'll know whether you are sleeping 7 or 8, and some days 5, some days 10, some days 12. So you will be conscious of your sleep. So the first figure you will write every day. It's a very simple trick. If you do it, you'll see the improvement in yourself. So first column you'll write how many hours you did sleep. First the date, then how many hours did you sleep, right? The next column is how much time did you spend in the school. How much time do you spend in the school? Including transport, say 8 to 9 hours. So say 7 hours of sleep and say 9 hours of school. So what is the total? 16, right? Third column is how many hours did you study back home? 3 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours, 0 hours. So what is the third column? What is the third column? Very good. And the last column, which is the most crucial. Mind, this column will make or break you. The last column is how many hours you did not do anything. How many hours you did not do anything. That means the total should be 24. So you slept for 7 hours. You came to school for 9 hours. This is how much? 16. You studied for 3 hours. It is 19. And you wasted how many hours? You wasted how many hours? 5 hours. So if you start reducing these 5 hours, you will not be sitting here or you will not be sitting there, you will be standing here. You got the trick? So what is the first column you will write? Date. Second? Sleep. Third? School. Fourth? Next? And the total should be? Total. And if there is no school that day, there's a holiday, then what you will write? That column will be 0. Right? So if it's a holiday, the school column will be 0. That means you should know how to spend these 9 hours. Because these 9 hours will get adjusted into something creative. You got it? So you'll all do this? How many of you will do this? Start from today and see the impact. And I'm sure as seniors, we know either to be the best or choice is mine. Choice is ours. Right? And what choice you will take? To be the best or? Very good. Now let's have a clap of happiness. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Faster. 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 Still faster. Thank you.
Excited and really happy.
I'm very happy being in this club. I'm
Very happy and I am really proud to be in Chairman's Club.
I'm really excited and I'm happy to be here. I hope the experience is good. I'm very happy and proud to be in Chairman's Club as I get an opportunity to be recognized among all the pioneers.
Very happy to stay in Chairman's Club. It's a very big opportunity for us to show our talent and we can be leaders and let others to also be in Chairman's Club.
I'm very happy to be in Chairman's Club member and I'm very proud to be in Chairman's Club member. We are the best or different from the rest.
Hello everybody. I'm Urja. Actually, today more than being Urja, I feel more excited. This is because again, I have been selected in the Chairman's Club. Our chairman sir teaches to be the best or different from the rest, and he has proved it. We do not know whether we are best in the world, but we know that we are different from the rest. Thank you all, and let's excel in Chairman's Club.
I'm really happy that I am in Chairman's Club. I'm very excited for the Chairman's Club. I hope I am able to stay in the Chairman's Club for the rest of the years in Sai International School. And I thank Chairman Sir for giving us such an opportunity.
I just want to say thank you for Chairman Sir for giving us such a big opportunity to show our excellence and achievements. I think Chairman's Club is a great initiative and I'm really happy to be in it for a second time. And I hope all the first timers of Chairman's Club will enjoy it and try to stay in it for the rest of their years in Sai. Thank you.
I am really happy to be in Chairman's Club for the second time, and I will enjoy all the experience and extra opportunities in this club. I am very happy that Chairman's Club gives us such a big opportunity to express ourselves. Thank you.
I will, till I am in this school, I'll always stay in Chairman's Club. This is my promise, and Chairman's Club gives us a lot of opportunity. Thanks.
I am very proud to be in Chairman's Club.
Thank you, Chairman Sir, for selecting me in the Chairman's Club. I'll always try to be in Chairman's Club and continue my position in school.